Hi friends, welcome to my channel Lizzie Teacher's Cooking World. Today I have come with a recipe of how to make jackfruit ada. Now see, I am having a jackfruit. This is a ripe jackfruit and first I will have to cut it, separate the seeds, and if I show you the cutting and separating the seeds, it will take a long time. The video will become very long. So I will clean it and then show you all. Now see, I have cut the jackfruit into small pieces. I have taken a bowl of coconut. This is jaggery which I boiled with little water and strained it to remove if any impurities are there. I have taken 6 cardamom, and now this is roasted rice powder. I have taken 2 cups of roasted rice flour. Into it I have added 1 cup of boiling hot water. Now I'll knead the dough nicely. Now I have kneaded the dough. I'll add little cumin seeds because it gives a very good taste to the dough. Usually ada is made in a banana leaf, but banana leaf is not available everywhere. In Kerala it is available in plenty because every house has a banana plant. So when you don't have a banana leaf and if you want to make ada, what my mummy used to do was she used to take a plastic cover, milk cover, and she would make the ada in the milk cover, and then she would remove the cover and put it in a idli cooker and make the ada. I will show you all how to make ada even if you don't have a banana leaf. Now you have to take little dough and make it like this. You can add water to make it thin. Now see, it's become thin. And the jackfruit is already very sweet, but still, see, now first we will put little jackfruit pieces, then put the coconut, and put the syrup of jaggery. Mix it nicely. Some people put the jaggery in the dough and you have to press it like this. Now if this is a banana leaf, you can take it and put it in the idli cooker, but you cannot heat the plastic. So what you have to do is, once it is set, you can remove the plastic cover and put this in the idli cooker. I'll show you one more. If you don't want it sweet, you can avoid putting the jaggery. Or if you want the dough to be sweet, I'll make one with I'll dip it in the jaggery and then make. So the dough will be sweet. Some people like it like this. If you are dipping the dough in the jaggery, then you need not put the jaggery after putting the filling. Now you can put the jackfruit and the coconut. And just turn it like this, press it, and your ada is ready. It's always more tastier if you use a banana leaf for making ada. But in times when you don't get banana leaf, then you have to see for other options. See, you can remove this nicely and you can steam it in a idli cooker. I have kept a idli cooker on the gas. I have made the adas, and one I have made it in round in shape with the stuffing inside. You can make it in whatever shape you want it. I'll close the lid and I will wait for 15 minutes. Now 15 minutes are over. I'll open and see if it is cooked. Yes, it is cooked. Now I'll take it in a plate and show you. I'll off the gas. I have taken this in a plate and see, it looks yummy. See the ada. Now you all saw how simple it was to make ada. If you have jackfruit, you can make jackfruit ada. And even if you don't have jackfruit, you can make the plain ada. That is with coconut and jaggery or coconut and sugar. Whichever way you can make. You can make the dough sweet or you can make the masala sweet. Whichever way you make it, it's a very tasty snack and you can have it for tea and even you can have it for breakfast. I hope you liked the video. If you are watching my video for the first time, do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell button so that you get all the notifications of whichever videos I will be uploading. Once again, thanks for watching. We'll meet with some more exciting recipe. Until then, goodbye. Thank you.